Hello, and welcome to Word Warehouse. In today's lesson, we're going to look at two verbs that are a little different from the irregular verbs we've studied before. Burn and learn can be used with both irregular and regular forms. In British English, you'll often hear burnt and learnt, while burned and learned are also correct and are especially common in American English. Let's take a closer look. Burn, burnt, burnt. Burn, burned, burned. Burn means to damage, destroy, or hurt something with fire or heat. It can also mean to be damaged by heat or fire. The three forms can be burn, burnt, burnt, or burn, burned, burned. Both forms are correct. Examples: the pan is very hot, and you could burn yourself. I always burn the toast when I'm in a hurry. I burnt the toast this morning. She burned her hand while cooking. She has burned his finger on the oven. Be careful, or you'll burn yourself. I got distracted, and I've burnt the food. We'll have to order a pizza. I love sitting by the bonfire and watching the flames as the wood burns. A massive wildfire has already burned over 4,000 hectares, reducing centuries-old trees to ashes. Common expressions include burn your hand, burn your finger, burn the toast, burn yourself, burn wood. We also use burn when talking about the sun. If you spend too much time in the sun, you can get sunburnt or get sunburned. I got sunburnt at the beach yesterday. Be careful. You'll burn if you stay in the sun too long. If I had used sunscreen, I wouldn't have got sunburnt. If I had used sunscreen, I wouldn't have gotten sunburned. Learn, learnt, learnt. Learn, learned, learned. Learn means to gain knowledge or a skill by studying, practicing, or experiencing something. The three forms can be learn, learnt, learnt, or learn, learned, learned. Again, both forms are correct. In British English, learnt is very common. In American English, learned is more common. Examples: I'm learning English because I want to travel more. She learns something new every day. I learnt a lot from that experience. I've learnt a lot of English from watching films. She learned how to drive when she was 18. He's learned how to play the piano. She's learning how to cook. I'm learning English. She's learning Spanish. You'll learn a lot if you practice every day. I'm sure you'll learn from your mistakes. I haven't learned anything in this course with this teacher. I've learned some interesting things at this seminar. Learning is not just about studying. It's about being curious, keeping an open mind, paying attention, and committing new information to memory. Commit to memory means to make an effort to remember something. Now you know two verbs with two possible forms: burn and learn. Remember that burnt and learnt are especially common in British English, while burned and learned are particularly common in American English. Keep practicing, and you'll soon feel more confident using both forms. See you in the next lesson.